Ateneo de Manila.
Bebe na, bebe!
Still Lasal University.
Layo mo na tatay na konti.
And the team members.
James Batanga, Prime Minister, and I'm here to take down LaSalle one more time.
And I'm the leader of opposition.
Bebe, abulin mo yung bubbles!
I'm Larry Claudio, Deputy Prime Minister. It's my birthday.
Abulin mo yung bubbles! Daming bubbles!
Take out LaSalle.
I'm Arjun Desta, I'm as arrogant as the speaker from the other side.
I'm Venita Aguilar, the government whip. And I'm the
Kunin mo yung bubbles, baby! Kunin mo! Dali, dali!
I'm like, that's why I'm the opposition whip. I'm sorry, Leloy, that it's your birthday. Because we have to do our job.
Well, we're using the Asian parliamentary format here, our rules.
The House will consist of two competing teams, government and opposition. Each team has
Wala! Dali!
The first speaker called the Prime Minister.
Daming baboy!
Daming baboy, baby! Kuhay mo! Kuhay mo! Isa! Dali!
Called the Leader of Opposition. Clarify
Kuhay mo! Isa! Dali! Kuhay mo!
Provide
Kuhay mo! Yan! Nakakuha ko! Nabutok! Pumutok!
the Prime Minister's argument
Pumutok!
and begins the argumentation for the opposition side.
Bye na, baby! Marami na!
The Deputy Prime
Ayan na! Kuhay mo! Ayan na!
represents his share of the presidency. The fourth speaker, called the Deputy Leader of Opposition, rebuts the Deputy Prime Minister and presents his share of the
Kuhay mo!
opposition case.
Ayun!
The fifth and sixth speakers, known as the government whip and the opposition whip, rebut the arguments of the opposing.
Dali! Papagod na tita Tiyan sa bubbles! Kumuha ka!
Bebe, mangalay.
Not offer any new arguments.
Dali! Daming bubbles, baby! Daming bubbles!
Second and fourth minutes, members of the opposing team.
Talunin mo, baby! Talunin mo!
Points of information.
Talunin mo!
One POI. Each POI can last only 60
Janet!
seconds. Three judges will deliberate
Janet,
on the
take
winners of the debate based on the content of their speeches or matters, their presentation or manner, and the...
Oh, dami, baby! Dami! Dami! Ayan o, dami oh! Uy, daming bubbles! Uy, daming bubbles! Ayan na, sa ulo mo! Ayan na! Yan, dami! Uy, dami oh! Dami! Daming bubbles! Ayan o! Ayan o! Ay, mahulog! Cellphone! Ayan o! Ayan, dali! Kuhay mo!
2366 for Globe and Sun cellular subscribers and 231 for smart subscribers. Introducing our distinguished judges, all champion debaters and adjudicators in their time and masters at tearing apart even the most polished presentations. From De La Salle University, Nikki Briones, Carcy Cruz. Good to see you again, Nikki. From Ateneo de Manila, Berna Angco. Welcome back, Berna.
See what your response to this is. It says that we have
Oh, dami.
operated in a manner
Dami
that
bubbles.
distances us physically and psychologically from the people who we